So, ghosts. I 3D printed some in glow-in-the-dark filament. Let me show you how. So when my wife saw these little ghosts on Thingiverse, she immediately asked me to print them for her. And that's when I thought about, let's print them in glow in the dark because that would look really cool. She obviously also showed them to a few people, so I've printed a couple of these. But yeah, so Narnaa on Thingiverse designed these little ghosts. I don't know how, but designed these little ghosts. The way how I printed them, I only chose one of the models and I scaled them because when it comes in it's very small. I'll scale them to 200%, 300% and 400% accordingly, and then kind of just printed all three of the ghosts at the same time. Now I did print them in glow-in-the-dark green and glow-in-the-dark blue filament. That's the two types of glow-in-the-dark filament that I have, and I think they came out pretty awesome. Let's have a look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this print. Cheers!